Hello guys, this is part 3 I think of the mini restoration. As you can see, I've painted the tank, I've blackjacked the boot, not very well as you can see. I will be going over with another coat. It seems to have hidden the patch there and there. Other areas that I have pissed around with is just skimming this where there was dents and body filler. I've put in the new panels. I've just got a weld underneath, which I'll be taking it into the other shed to get underneath and do it properly. I've still got the sills to do on the passenger side. As you can see, the door is hanging off. There's only one hinge. Yeah, I've still got that to do under there. Yeah, I'm starting to fit the panels back on. It's been a long week. I've been doing this day in, day out, and it does take it out of you. If anyone has done one of these before, what is the gap between the wing and the bonnet? Because I've got about ½ inch and about 3/8 there, but they both lead down to touch. So I was just wondering, and once I've sorted the wings out, got them lined up, I will be welding in the scuttle, and then I'll be doing the under the scuttle panels, because I'm not going to buy them. I cleaned the valance off. I spotted it into place just so that I could line these up. Because I was watching a restoration build by Minimad John, I think it is. He does some good videos, and he said that was the best way to do it if you left subframe on to bolt the valance, then the bonnet, and then do the wings. But yeah, I suppose that's where I could be fucking up. And this doesn't feel right here either. You see like the gap going around, and then the gap going around there. The problem is I brought the wings off eBay. They were heritage panels, and the scuttle is a mock-up. It's like a Chinese shit thing. It's like the fake heritage panels. Yeah. That's about it. That is as far as I've got in the build. If there's anyone out there that has done one of these as well, do you know if I could put the Mark 1 bubble wings on the sides instead of my plastic flares? Because I think the bubble wings would look a lot better. Cheers guys. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thanks.